student, welcome to part 1 video of your chapter number 10, Google as a drive and a search engine. Children, we all are familiar with Google. Google is a platform or it is a website that gives us so many features. It gives us a drive to store our data. It is a search engine, very popular search engine. Okay, search engine where you can search any information about. Okay, so let's start with what is Google Drive. Now, Google Drive is a free service from Google that allows you to store files online and access them anywhere using the cloud, which is known as cloud computing. Now, basically what happened, now whatever mobile data we are having, we can store in our Google Drive. Okay, now it is a free storage space provided by Google, and for this you need not to worry about storing the data permanently in your system. Okay, in your computer system you can save it there. So even if your system gets crashed or your mobile gets destroyed or you are changing your mobile phone, you can have the access by simply using your email account. Okay, now this is what all about. Now, Google Drive also gives you access to free web-based applications for creating documents, spreadsheet, presentation and many more. Okay. Now, Google Drive is offering 15 gigabyte of free storage space. You can access your files from any computer with an internet connection. Now, Drive eliminates the need to email or save a file to a USB drive, since this drive allows you to share files even. Earlier what happened, people used to send the important file through their mail also, so that even if their hard drive gets crashed, they can access the data from mail. Okay, but all the data cannot be sent through mail. So, this all has been eliminated, the use of all these things has been eliminated because of the launch of this Google Drive. Now, how to create file using Google Drive? Now, Google Drive doesn't just store your file, it also allows you to create, share and manage document with its own productivity app. Now, something about Google Drive apps might seem familiar. For instance, the types of file you can work are similar to files that can be created with various Microsoft Office programs. Now, what are the files? Now, before that, first understand the concept of cloud computing. It is a general term for the delivery of hosted service over the internet. Okay. Now, these below are the types of file you can create and share on Google Drive. Like document file is there, as you save your Microsoft document file. Word file, it is used for composing letters, flyers, essays and other text based files. Then we have spreadsheet for storing and organizing information. It is similar to Microsoft Excel workbook. Then we have presentations for creating slideshows, similar to Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Then we have form for collecting and organizing data. Now, drawings for creating simple vector graphics or diagram. Now, in order to use Google Drive, you will need an account. Once you have set up your Google account, you can access Google Drive by going to http://drive.google.com in your web browser. Now, you can also navigate to Google Drive from any Google page such as Gmail or Google search by selecting the grid icon. This is the icon near the top right corner and then clicking Drive. Okay. Now, as you upload and create files, you will need to know how to view, manage and organize them in the interface. Uploading files to Google File. What are the methods? There are two main types of file you can store on your Google Drive. That is, files you can edit like Microsoft Office file, PDFs, okay, and other text based files. Like you all are getting PDFs of your various notes, okay. Then you are getting your videos, all are stored on Google Drive only, from where you can access it. Okay. Now, files you cannot edit are like music, videos, compressed archive, that is zip file and most other files. Once you upload file, no matter what type of file it is, you will be able to manage, organize, share and access it from anywhere. Okay. Now next is, there is one mind enhancer. You can preview many different file types even if you don't have the software required for that file on your computer. For example, you can use Google Drive to preview a Photoshop file even if Photoshop is not installed on your computer. So you can see how effective and popular use of Google Drives are. Then uploading file and folder, how to make your file uploaded on Google Drive. Okay, so before sharing you need to first upload it. What is the meaning of upload? When you are saving your file on internet, that is known as upload. Okay, now it's easy to upload files from your computer to Google Drive. If you are using the Google Chrome as your browser, you can upload entire folder even. Okay, now what is the process? To upload a file on Google Drive, follow the following step. From Google Drive, locate and select the new button, then select file upload, and open dialog box pops up. You can see here new button is there and you are clicking on folder. Okay, so what will happen? You can see this box will come. Okay, now locate and select the file, this box you want to upload, and then click on open. Okay, now the files will be uploaded to your Google Drive. Fine, you can see here my drive is there and the files. Then depending on your browser and operating system, you may be able to upload files by clicking and dragging a file from your computer into your Google Drive. Now to upload a folder, this feature is only available if you are accessing Google Drive through Google Chrome only. It will not allow in any other browser. Now click the new button again. Now then select the folder upload. This is the icon for drive. Okay, now folder upload is there. Earlier you did file upload and now the folder. Now you can see this complete folder is coming. So you can select, like work has been selected. So after selecting, click on OK. Okay, the folder and file within it will be uploaded to your Google Drive. Okay, next is organizing your file. Once you start adding files to Google Drive, you can use folders to help organize and group them. Folders in Google Drive work just like folders on your computer. It is always better and a good practice to organize your things properly. At your home also you organize the things, isn't it? In the computer also you have to follow some manner of organizing your files and folder. The same way in Google Drive also you can organize your data or file whichever you are uploading. Okay, now to create a folder, how can you create a folder on Google Drive? From Google Drive, click the new button, then select folder from the drop down menu, this one. Okay, now a dialog box will appear. Enter a name for your folder, then click on OK. Now you can see the name of the folder has been given budget proposal. Now click on create button. Now your folder will appear on the left below my drive. You may need to click the drop down arrow to see your folder. Okay, you can see here this is the drop down arrow. When you will click on it, so whichever folder you have created, that will be listed here. Okay, now click and drag the file to the desired folder. Now some mind enhance is there to add multiple files to the same folder. Press and hold Ctrl key, then click select desired file. When you are ready, click and drag the file to the desired folder. Dragging can also be done same as you used to do on Windows. Now the file will appear in the selected folder. Now to delete a folder, deleting a file from your Google Drive is similar to deleting a file from your computer. You will have to move the file to the trash folder and then delete it permanently, just like you did in delete a file from the trash or recycle bin on your computer. Again, if you are deleting any file from your Google Drive, it will be deleted, but it will be get stored in your trash or recycle bin. And if you delete your file from even trash or recycle bin, then what will happen? It will be deleted permanently. So select the file you want to delete, then click the remove button to move the file to the trash folder and select trash in the left navigation pane. This is here, you can see here. Now the trash folder will appear. Click trash near the top of the screen, then select empty trash and the files will be deleted permanently from there also. So, once you delete from there, you will not be able to get back the files. Okay. Next is sharing. So, sharing we will be covering in our next video, part 2 video. Okay. Till then, try to upload your files on Google Drive, go through the steps, learn it properly. Okay, children. Thank you.